Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a power seat in a Nissan Altima. Power seat problems can be quite frustrating, but many common issues are fixable with a few simple steps. You might notice your seat isn't moving at all, only moves in one direction, or perhaps you hear clicking or grinding sounds. These symptoms often point to electrical issues, mechanical failures, or general wear and tear within the seat's components. First, let's check the basics. The interior fuse box is typically found under the driver's side dashboard. Consult your owner's manual to pinpoint the exact fuse for your power seat. Visually inspect the fuse. If the metal wire inside is broken, it's blown and needs replacement. Next, carefully inspect the main electrical connectors and wiring harnesses located directly underneath the seat. Ensure they are securely plugged in and show no signs of damage or corrosion. If fuses and connections are good, the next step is to test the seat switch and motor. You can usually pry off the seat switch panel with a plastic trim tool to access its wiring. Use a multimeter to check for 12 volts at the switch wires when activated. If power is present but the seat doesn't move, the switch itself might be faulty. To test the motor, disconnect its connector and apply 12-volt power and ground directly to its terminals to see if it moves. Finally, check for mechanical issues. Look closely at the seat tracks for any obstructions, such as coins, pens, or other debris that could be jamming the movement. Sometimes, worn gears or misaligned tracks within the seat mechanism can cause jerky motion or complete stalling. If you've tried these steps and the problem persists, or if you're uncomfortable working with electrical components or complex mechanical parts, it's always best to consult a qualified automotive technician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.